I ended up making $7,000 my first month, and I was shocked because I didn't have to get on the phone with anybody. I didn't have to DM anybody. I didn't have to bother a friend and family. Matter of fact, they didn't even know what I was doing unless they were watching my stories. Other than that, nobody knew. And I had made $7,000 and nobody even knew what I was doing. It was awesome because I just failed my way to the top because my videos were awful. I was scared. I was nervous. I had no idea what I was doing. I just talked from my heart. The next month, I ended up making $14,000. I ended up making $22,000 my third month. I made in 90 days on a brand new TikTok, I made $43,000 in the digital marketing, all because I followed a simple, easy to follow blueprint and became very coachable.